I guess. No. No. I don't want to say hello. Anyway, we're going to complete this. Okay. So, now we need to add the real redstone part. Yeah. Okay, redstone. Just joking. You're a comparator and redstone, some repeaters, and torches. Oh wait, oh no. Okay. And so this is what you need to do. You have this right here. Pull this. No. So you know what? You put repeater here. You put redstone. Get sandstone or whatever block you chose. Now you do this. And then you're gonna leave it farther away from the machine. And then you drill it, obviously. Okay, now the redstone comes in. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, my friend Dingus is right over here. He's like a Terry Dingus. Sorry, I had to say it. He's playing CSGO. After this, I'll make a future video about CSGO. Right now, I'm bored still, so I think I'm gonna cut this, and I'll see you back when it's done. Path leading down. Well, sorry, my friend is playing CSGO and he's cursing like hell. Sorry. Okay.
You guys don't know how to play.
I think we do.
Use a freaking off? Sniper. Terrace freaking won.
Can you be quiet while I record?
Let's do this, Harry Dingus.
Man,
I'm lagging.
we get it. I'm lagging too. Oh wait, no I'm not. I only have 109 frames per second.
Oh,
It's a miracle. Can you be quiet? I have to record. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Can you be quiet? Bitch. Oh man. Let me take a sip. Anyway. Okay. Oh, you might need to do this. Okay. Now, I forgot one part, and you have to put a redstone torch. And that should do it. Now, all you need to do is, if you put an item in here, grab some iron. And this will automatically turn the torch off, which will turn these off in a delay. Oh wait, I did that wrong. I am so sorry. Well, you're supposed to have a repeater once in a while. But I totally forgot. Anyway, this will be sent into here. This will automatically go off. And it'll send. Now we have to do this exact same thing for that one. And I'll do it with you guys just so you can do it. Oh no, why are you dropping? No, don't fail me, frames. Don't do it. Okay, like this. Block. More blocks leading out. How many did I do here? Can you be quiet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out. Redstone torch here. And 1, 2, 3. Oh man, lagging like crazy. 4.
Dana's
5.
knife. Look.
Be quiet. I'm recording. Shut up, please. Okay, I'm back. This guy is a mess. I don't know why. He's in my house right now. Anyway, he's really annoying. Really annoying. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing here. You guys get it now, right? So I'm gonna skip ahead and then I'll meet you back when this one's finished. One right there. Nope, one right there. One right there. Oh. Okay, welcome back, and technically this is the wrong side, but who cares? Anyway. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. You have a problem with that, punk? Huh? Okay, anyway, if you want to extend this, you can just do the same thing in part 1 and keep doing it. You got me? You got me? Okay? Yeah, okay. You better like and subscribe, you dingus. Better subscribe and like this video. Also, go to your mother. And bye!